Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to today's episode, which is episode 3, and we'll be looking into the chicken family. As you can see on the board, we have the chicken family. Now, this family, why is it called the chicken family? If you look at this, these are the alphabets we want to look into. But if you look at it, you can see that this part of it looks like that of a chicken. You see this place here, this head here, this one here. Let me use another color to make it more obvious. Let me use color. So if you look at this place, you can see this place here and this head here that you are seeing. Don't they look alike? They look alike. So that's why you know that this is a member of the chicken family. So we call them the chicken family. Why? Because they look like the chicken and they are from the chicken lineage. So we call them chicken family. So under this chicken family, we have 3 members. We have the first one, the second one, and the third one. So the first one is called what? This one here of the chicken family is called Jim. Don't mix it up. Oh. This one is called Jim. Now, why is this one called Jim? This firstborn of the chicken family, the first child of the chicken family, has a dot under. You can see here, it has a dot in between here, which is called what? Which makes it what? To be called Jim. Because this one loves to go to the gym. It has what? 6 packs. If you look at your 6 abs here, your abs here, can you see? Abs. It has the 6 abs. 1, 2, 3, like my own. So we call it what? The gym of the chicken family. That's the first, which has 6 abs because it goes to the gym. You can see someone that goes to the gym, lifts weights, do sit-up, does everything. So it's called gym of the chicken family. The one that goes to the gym of the chicken family. So it's called gym. Now the next one is what we call ha. The second one is called ha. Now this second one, this one is the first, and this one is the second, which is what? Which is ha. It is called ha. You know, when you run, this one's an athlete. It goes for racing, and also when you run and you're tired, you just ha. It's called ha. Say ha. It's called what? It's called ha. It's called ha. So that's why the second child is called ha. So if you want to pronounce, say when you run, what do? You are panting, and what you pronounce ha. This one is somebody there's an athlete that goes for racing, and also he goes for jogging early in the morning, and when he's tired is what he pants. So it is called ha, which is the second child of the chicken family. So now the next one we are looking at is what? Is ho. This ho, it's got its name from ho. Why? Because it loves to sleep. As it's sleeping, it can snore. If it's snoring like it loves to snore. So that's why we call it what? Ho, which is the third child of the chicken family. It's called ho. Why is it called ho? Because what? It loves to snore. That's why. So it snores when it sleeps. So it is called ho. Say ho. That is why it is pronounced as ho. If you look at it, you say ho. So we have Jim, the one that goes to the gym. We have ha, the one that is an athlete. Then we have ho, the one that loves to sleep and snore. So this is the chicken family. The members of the chicken family. We have Jim, we have ha, and we have ho. These are the 3 members of the chicken family. And as you can see, they look alike. So that brings us to the end of that chicken family. Don't tell me whenever you see this chicken, you will not notice which type of chicken is this one. No, don't tell me that. So we've come to the end of the chicken family, and see you in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.